work hard, we play hard, we fight hard, and believe it or not, we love hard. You're amazed by our outer strengths and captivated by our ability to get the job done, intrigued by our ability to endure in the most difficult circumstances. Yes, we are men, looking strong and resilient on the outside, but who cares enough to look at what's really going on the inside?
But just let me tell you, just so that you will know, since you have never spent not one day as a man, let me inform you quite clearly and emphatically that it is hard to be a man. That's why most give up on it, most quit, most faint from it, most fall because of it, and almost all of us die trying to do it.
Be alert and on your guard. Stand firm in your faith, your conviction, respecting man's relationship to God and divine things, keeping the trust and holy fervor born of faith and a part of it. Act like men and be courageous, grow in strength. Who cares? We care. And we are gathering together to speak life into you and empower you to win unprecedented victory in all areas of life. September 8th and 9th, Richmond, Texas. Answer the call.